Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete legal framework to independently register and establish your limited liability company in the Commonwealth of Virginia without paying costly third-party corporate processing mills. Your business venture formally begins with choosing a completely distinctive, legally compliant entity name. Under state statutes, your corporate identity must be entirely different from any active business registered in the state database, and it must explicitly feature an entity designator, such as limited company, LLC, or simply the letters LLC. To verify your concept, log directly on to the Virginia State Corporation Commission website, known as the SCC, and run an exhaustive business entity name search to ensure your name is completely vacant and available. Once your name is cleared, your next structural requirement is designating a Virginia registered agent. This agent can be a professional commercial service or a resident individual, such as yourself or an officer of the company, who must maintain a physical, verifiable street address within the state borders to accept official tax documents, compliance notifications, and service of process during normal daily business hours. With your agent selected, you are ready to file your foundational Articles of Organization, which is officially submitted online through the SCC Clerk's Information System portal. This online submission carries a fixed state filing fee of exactly $100, and it typically processes within 1 to 2 business days. Inside this digital application form, you will simply provide your official LLC name, your physical principal office street address, your registered agent's specific qualifications, and the signature of your primary organizer. Immediately after your state approval email arrives, navigate straight to the official Internal Revenue Service website to obtain your Employer Identification Number, or EIN, which functions as a secure Social Security number for your business and is completely free to secure. Take this fresh tax ID along with your approved state articles to your local financial institution to open a separate dedicated business checking account, guaranteeing your personal money and your corporate operational cash flows never cross paths. Finally, keep your corporate shield in perfect standing by remembering that Virginia mandates a $50 annual registration fee, which is strictly due by the final day of your company's anniversary month every single year. By executing these specific steps, you will legally launch a compliant business in Virginia. Subscribe the channel for more videos.